Are you worried that AI-generated content is everywhere, from homework to fake news, and you can't tell what's real anymore? In this video, I'll show you a powerful tool that can detect AI content in seconds. First, you need to go to Google or any search engine and type Dechecker. Click the very first link. The dashboard will open. You can try this tool without login. So basically, an AI checker is a digital application that determines if text, images, or code were created by artificial intelligence, such as ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, rather than by a human. Schools and universities use these types of tools to ensure students submit original work. This upholds the value of degrees and ensures genuine learning. Detectors also verify the authenticity of articles, which helps prevent the spread of AI-generated fake news. Let's explore this tool. Here on the sidebar, you can see many options available, like AI Detector, AI Homework, AI Essay Writer, YouTube Summarizer, AI Humanizer, and Blog. First, we'll start with the AI Detector. Here, you can paste text or upload a document to check if it is written by AI or a human. On the right side, additional options are available, like a plagiarism checker to see if the content is copied online, and a grammar checker to fix mistakes. Now, let's paste some text that I have taken from ChatGPT to see how this tool detects it. Below, you can also adjust the font size or alignment of the text. Now click on Detect Text. As you can clearly see, the tool shows that this whole text is AI-generated. You can also check plagiarism or grammar mistakes. It will detect all your mistakes. Like, you can see that there is only one punctuation mistake, so you can easily correct it. And now, if you want to humanize the same content, you can also do it in one place, because this tool provides you AI Humanizer also. Paste the same text here. Click on Humanize. As you can see that it has changed the style of text, including vocabulary and tone. You can click on AI detection to see how much it has humanized, as it shows 100% result. Now, let's jump to AI Homework. This is very helpful because you can solve any question by typing it or uploading an image of the question. It can solve problems related to math, statistics, physics, biology, and more. In this box, you can see other options like math input, modes, quick or advanced, as well as guided steps, so you can get a detailed solution or just the final answer. I am choosing quick mode along with a detailed answer. Let's type a question. What is the main difference between ribosomes and Golgi bodies? As you can see, it gives a detailed explanation. It's very helpful for students. Now, let's upload an image. This is rational equation in which we have to find the unknown value. As you can see, it also provides a detailed answer. Next, let's try the AI Essay Writer. Here, you can see two modes available: write full essay and build step by step. In the second mode, you can add or remove outlines according to your choice. In the prompt box, you can select your language, academic level, essay type, citation style, word count, and even upload materials from your drive. Let's try first mode. Type Impact of Science and Technology on Modern Society. You can see that it creates an outline by itself. And now the essay is written perfectly. On the top bar, you can change headings, use different fonts, highlight text, change alignment, and even edit sentences. You can select any line. You can paraphrase content, modify it, or let the tool expand or shorten sentences. Now, let's try the second mode. Here, it won't generate the essay directly. First, it gives you an outline, which you can edit according to your choice, and then you can generate the essay. See? Easy to use. Next is the YouTube Summarizer. Do you feel overwhelmed by hour-long lecture videos? This YouTube Summarizer will help you to figure out these types of problems. You can paste a link or upload a file. Let's paste a YouTube link. This link is related to cardiovascular system topic. Here, you can select the level of summary. I'm choosing default. Now, you can see that it has summarized the video very effectively. For more convenience, you can also convert it into a mind map for quick learning, and you can ask questions to clear your doubts. No need to watch long videos, just paste the link and get all the information in seconds. So that's Dechecker AI, a powerful all-in-one tool for detecting, creating, and improving content. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to try it yourself.